Alright guys, so I'm up here in the garage. There's the old piece of wood right there. That's just the box that the new piece came in. And there's the replacement all cut out right there. And here is the inside board. And this is the color that it's going to be. This one's going to be a little bit lighter just because it's like a plywood. But this board was darker, so I don't know. I really like the color. I think it's going to look pretty nice in there. Yeah, it's pretty dark, but I don't know. I like it. I think it looks pretty dang good. So I'm gonna bring that down there and get this one stained in a little bit, and then should be ready to install tomorrow as long as I can get some hardware, because all that stuff's crap. So I'm gonna get all new hardware. I'm gonna have to drill a bunch of holes, get some silicone it all up so that I don't get any leaks and that it's all sealed, and then we'll be good to go. So here is the transom wood, and now we can get the transom all done. Alright guys, so I was working on the oars here, and I got the end painted on this one, and same with that end, if you guys can see it. Here's the other one. This one you can actually see. I just did a quick little job. I may have probably gotten some paint on the oars, but you know, it was just a quick job. Like, I didn't even bother like taping it off or anything. I grabbed some stuff out of the garbage and just covered it up quick just so I could paint it, and did a decent job. And then I can use my little touch up like brush, that black stuff. Actually, I don't know if you guys saw, but you know, the same stuff I used to do that end. So I could just use that to get, you know, the rest of the spots that I didn't get for that. But I mean, that's pretty good. So yeah, so just touching it up, and then the oars are done, and those can go on the boat. So it's a rowboat again. And then now I got the like cushion of the seat right here, or you know, the seat, whatever. And I'm gonna start taking off the vinyl of it. I'm gonna reupholster it, put new vinyl on there, and then I gotta take the, you know, actual seat part, which is still right over there, and I gotta paint that, which I got some trim paint too, trim and vinyl paint. So I'll start working on this, and it'd be nice to get this done. I actually pulled out a few staples already, and man, these are like probably 1/4 inch. I'd be surprised if they were 3/8, but I mean, I guess they could be, but they're really small. And on this, I could just use a little hand stapler because of how thin that is. Like, there's really nothing to it. It's not like when I did the 4-wheelers. Actually, here's one. So I had to go out and buy a new staple gun. Yeah, I put a crap load of staples in there to hold it, but it turned out pretty good, so I'll take it for a seat cover. And now I'm doing these, so gonna get those done. And then I got the transom board that's gonna be ready tomorrow, so then I can put the transom together and finish the oars, and guys, might just finish the seat. And then you guys will probably, I want to say probably, see the new project tomorrow. I don't know, I got a few things going on. I gotta go work at my part-time job. I got a graduation party to go to, and then we'll see where the day goes. So for now, it's not too late yet, so I think I'm gonna keep on working away for a little bit more, just trying to get this done. And I'm for sure getting the covers off of this tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna get as far as getting the new ones on, or if I'm gonna get the seat sanded, or who knows, I might just get it done. So we'll see. So look forward to that. All right guys, it's the next morning, and I got my cushions here for the seat. I got the vinyl all off of them. They're actually both right there, and I got them marked up on the new stuff I'm gonna be putting on. I don't have my scissors down here, so I'll just do it after work. But then I already went ahead and took a look at the oars and touched them all up, just so that they look good enough. As you can see, that's where some of the overspray of the black came from, and this one actually has it kind of bad, but it's whatever. I just did it quick, and so there's that. But oh well, it'll still, look just fine. So I just used this touch-up stuff right here, and that did the trick. And then some, black spray paint for these. And now when I get home, the oars will be good to go, and I can put them back on the boat so that now they're not in my way and that they're nice and safe. They're not going to get scratched or chipped or anything. And then I can cut my fabric or vinyl or whatever you want to call that stuff for the seat and get those stapled on. I'm thinking I might use a heat gun still just to pull it tight and get it looking nice on there. So probably do that, and then I'll, since I'm getting the seat done, I'll probably go ahead and start working on that down there and sand it down and get that painted. So then I can have the seat all done and put that on tonight. And then I get the lug nuts switched over. And then I got the safety chains upstairs, which I was going to wire wheel and then paint them black. So then I can put my safety chains on the front of the boat. And then I get the other board of the transom stained and then get the holes drilled. So then I can just get some silicone and hardware. And then I got to put the badges back on. So I got to grab those out of my truck. And then I got to put the, what's it called? The limited, like the lifetime registration. That's what it is. The lifetime registration on the boat. I think right in there or up there was where it was. And then they'll straighten out the license plate and get that on. So we're gonna try and wrap this up. Should be able to get most of it done today. I think. Maybe even take a look at the wheel bearings, see what I need, because I actually do have some wheel bearings in the bag right there, but just depends on what size they are. So gonna try and get it wrapped up and see how far I can get on her today, because I also got some other things I want to get started on. Alright guys, so back to doing the boat seat here. I actually had to move back out into the shop because I was trying to do it downstairs, and the hand stapler that I had, that thing just doesn't go through. Like, it's just not meant to be doing seats. So I'm back with the air nailer, whatever you want to call it, nail gun. So the air compressor downstairs went out, and so I got to use this one, and the only one that's in the shop. So I had to come out here. I got my heat gun right there for heating up the vinyl and stretching it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the vinyl put on and show you guys what it looks like in the end, or if I come up with any problems. So here we go. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got the seat covers all finished and on there. It turned out really good. And there are the old ones. So quite a big change. And they look pretty clean. I mean, I have some experience from, that seat cover and the one on the Predator. And yeah, it turned out pretty good. I got them nice and tight, so when it's on the boat, like, I'm pushing down on my arm, like, it needs to go out a little bit. It's a little curled in. So when they get mounted on that, hopefully they straighten out and I can find a good way to mount them. But yeah, so really happy with how they look and they turned out, and now they look like new again. So now I just got to get that done, and then I can put these back on it, or figure out how to put these back on it and get it back on the boat. And if you guys notice why it looks kind of weird, guys, this is carbon fiber. Well, not, carbon fiber texture. So, I don't know, I think it's a cool design, and it's a nice little touch for the boat. So let me start working on that now and get that prepped up so that I can get the seat out back together.